Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to extract RAR file and Hostinger. So first you just have to go to any web browser and open your Hostinger account here, and this is what it looks like. Now all you have to do is to go to hosting and then click this website here and choose the website where you want to extract your RAR file. So once you have chosen a website, then all you have to do is to simply locate File Manager. As you can see, we have here Performance Core, File Manager, Databases, and WordPress. So you have to tap this File Manager here and make sure that your RAR file is prepared or ready to extract. So as you can see, once you're here, all you have to do is to copy, like drag the file here, or you can just simply go to the upper right corner, tap the arrow facing up to upload a file or our file here on your file manager. And then after that, once you have added that file, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply right click top, right click, and you will see there extract all. Then what you're going to do is select a destination and then extract file. If this one is not the destination that you want, you can go to browse and then you can just simply select if it's like download, desktop, documents, or whatever destination that you want to. Okay, and then after that, you have to click extract. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then once done, after that, you can now see that you have your RAR file folder here, and all you have to do is to open this one, then you will see all your files. And that's how easy it is to simply extract your RAR file in Hostinger. Now, I want to remind you that you can only use this or do this if you have upgraded version of your Hostinger. You cannot use this if you're using the basic version. So you have to upgrade your account in order for you to use some features of Hostinger here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.